Hello viewers, welcome to Mojo for Industry. We're at BOMA Conexpo India 2024, right now at the stall of Gainwell. And in Gainwell, I'll be talking to Mr. Manav. He's going to give us a detail about what Gainwell is having this time at BOMA Conexpo India 2024, because I can see a larger participation from Gainwell this time.
As you're aware, Gainwell as a group, our flagship operation has been in the infra and mining space as a broad association of last almost 8 decades as a Caterpillar dealer. At the same time, our motto has always been to bring solutions for growth, right? Both for our customers and other stakeholders, so that we can do more things together. And, we bring partners from across the world who specialize in different areas associated with the infrastructure. So, for example, we've been associated with the road making industry for a very long time. All the major national highway construction customers are they are esteemed customers for us. So I think the logical step for us was to step into the asphalt and concrete value chain,
Right.
Integrating forward. We found a very valued partner in Lintec and Leanoff Holdings. It's originally a German design because Lintec and Leanoff has over 300 plants in India, and customers really like the technology. When they wanted to come back to India, they looked at our group and our credibility in terms of our capability to service the customers, to support them across the country in very difficult terrain, which we've been doing for a very long time. So we came together as partners, and Lintec and Leanoff brought the refreshed, design as per their international experience for India once again. And we have started manufacturing that at our Pune plant. So we are doing the asphalt and the concrete batching plants out of our Pune facility when it comes to Lintec and Leanoff. But then the other question that has been, how do we bring the road maintenance equipment technology to India? Because our roads are busy, and we should take the least amount of time to maintain them. And here we found a very good partner in Atnair International, which is a US-based organization who specialize in road maintenance equipment. So if the highways are cracking, how do you seal the crack? So there's a crack sealer. If there's a pothole which gets formed, how do you repair the pothole so that it stays like that for a longer time and the road is repaired for a longer, and there's no further deterioration, there is no accident because of the potholes. And if the surface has become rough or the riding quality has deteriorated, how do you resurface with the thinnest layer of asphalt so that the ride quality is restored, and again the longevity of asset is ensured. This fits very well into the current environment where the assets are now being owned by the asset owners or the InvITs or the funds, and they would want these things to be done in the most scientific and sustainable and safe way, keeping the EHS guidelines in place. So these equipment really bring the safety, the sustainability, and the aspect of how people do that in the shortest and the safest way. Of course, we are standing today at the Gainwell Pavilion. We also have TIL, which is a well-known material handling giant for the country for a very, very long time. And they are part of our group, and they have associations with Hyster, Manitowoc, and such, and they manufacture their own material handling equipment. So they are also part of the Gainwell Pavilion. So you're right, we are in a much bigger way. We put everything together in one pavilion,
Right.
to come back to our customer with a bouquet of solutions rather than each solution separately.
So with that giant appearance, what message you would like to convey to the Indian industry?
I would say, the message that I want to convey is we committed and we are very optimistic, in terms of the growth potential and what's happening in India. We have immense belief that this is going to continue for a very long time. And I think this is the time where we should bring the right technologies, the right kind of equipment, so that we do our job faster, we do it more productively, more cost effectively, and in a very sustainable manner. So all these solutions actually speak about that theme, that solutions for growth.
With your new partnerships as well as revived or other partnerships with TIL, and Leanoff, Lintec, How do you like to position your brand, Gainwell?
Gainwell as a brand, we look at embracing the entire life cycle experience of our customers. And we are, as a brand, we are a brand which believes in the strength of technology, in the merits of technology. So if you look at our customers, all our customers are digitally connected with us. We like all the machines to be IoT enabled so that we can monitor them remotely and leverage this technology to give unparalleled customer experience. So we therefore are an integrator of solutions from a technology perspective and a service provider which is leveraging technology to provide the best-in-class service to our customers so that they can do their job and focus on their core areas, and while we take care of what is required to be done.
Right, so any change in mission and vision for Gainwell, because it's a complete revival what we see for the brand?
It's mission getting played out. It's our vision getting played out. If you see the elements of our vision,
Right.
we have always had this element of trusted partnerships, creating solutions for our customers, and using technology to do so. So our vision actually talks about what we're doing it was a co-created vision.
Right.
So now we see that what we wrote there in terms of words is actually translating very powerfully into our actions.
Right.
So vision, it's really living out the life that you need to have for a vision. We're playing it out.
So coming back to this particular exhibitions, what exactly you are exhibiting this time? And
On this pavilion,
yeah,
as we are standing under DRX 1500, which is a Linhoff 120 TPH plant, manufactured in a Pune plant to the export specifications, the latest international specifications of Linhoff. So this is really a very high quality equipment with high efficiency that we are standing under. We're manufactured by our team, so very proud to display that. Behind me, the red colored machine that we're looking at, that's a road saver, which is from Etnaya, which is a microsurfacing machine. Next to that is a crack sealing machine, which is the yellow machine over there. And then we have something called a live bottom trailer, which is the silver colored large trailer, which is there. Now this trailer again addresses the aspect of efficiency and safety, because when you use very large trailers and you're trying to tip it, sometimes it's a hazardous situation where there are overhead wires or there is unstable ground conditions. So this trailer has the capability to dump the material with a live conveyor at its bottom, and it can dump it at the back. It can also work with a paver, so you can keep hot asphalt in this, and it's a covered top. And an insulated body, so it stays hot for a longer time. It doesn't let the fumes out, and it's very that way better in terms of pollution. And then it discharges into the paver so that you can pave seamlessly with that. So it's a very new concept, very different, but you can carry very large quantities and use it for your construction and mining, aggregate mining related.
wonderful. So in after this new partnerships and reviving of your old partnerships with Kamla brands, what will be your future vision? What exactly we wish to target for the next 5 years or so? Because it's a complete redefined Gainwell now.
One is that I think we made a lot of good beginnings, a lot of new technologies. The time ahead, we need to work with our customers to make it meaningful and get the adoption of these new technologies and new products. At the same time, we will add definitely more meaningful partnerships, leveraging on our strength to keep giving more products to our customer. And I think definitely the center is customers experience, and what can we do better in terms of getting more uptime for our customers, how digitally connected we can be, how we can save time and bring more efficiency into what these things. So that continues to be our vision for next, and that actually inspires new solutions that we are able to bring.
Thanks, Manav. Before we conclude, I would like to hear from you. What is your message to the industry?
I think we have come a long way. We have become one of the largest construction equipment industry, officially the third largest construction equipment industry in the world. So we as an industry need to champion the cause of technology, better technology at global level, because we're talking about being a developed nation very soon. And I think therefore we need a shift in the way we look at what needs to be for the technologies which are relevant for the construction and mining industry. And we should have the forums and the frameworks which will incentivize our customers to adopt technologies faster. I think that is long-term more beneficial for the nation in terms of the efficiency, cost effectiveness, quality, and also from a sustainability goals perspective. So I think we have to embrace technology in much larger way, in more real way than ever before. That's where we have come to. Everything else has become very, very similar.
Wonderful. So it was Mr. Manav sharing his insights on the growth story of India's construction and mining industry, and how Genwell is going to play a much larger role with new and revived partnership. Thank you so much, Manav.
Thank you so much. Always a pleasure talking to you.
Hello friends. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.